Hi everyone! Today I'm going to introduce you to Charactool. Charactool is an app that helps you draw. You can customize a character's body type in 3D, pose them however you want, adjust the shading style to your liking, and use it all as a reference when you draw. Let me walk you through an example. When you open the app, you'll see a 3D character right in the center. I'm going to use this Spider-Man image and recreate the pose in 3D. First, I'll adjust the character's body type to match the image. Overall, he has a slightly muscular build. Since this is a cartoon style, I'll make the head a little bigger. For the shading, I went with cell shading so it's easier to read the darker tones when I'm coloring later. Now let's set the pose. If I grab the pelvis area and drag it down to the floor, the knees bend along with it, see? I'll place the feet to match the image too. The knees need to spread out a bit to the sides. Now I'll adjust the angle of the torso and pelvis to lean the upper body forward just like in the picture. The head looks straight ahead. Next, I'll stretch one arm way back. I grab the hand, move it where I want it, and then position the elbow. With the arm pulled back this far, the upper body would naturally rotate a little in that direction too. Now let's have the other hand pressing against the ground. I straightened out the fingers to really show him pushing into the floor. What do you think? The 3D Spider-Man pose next to the original image. Pretty close, right? Unlike a flat image, you can spin it a full 360 degrees and study how the body and muscles are built. Super useful when you want to redraw the same pose from a different angle. So, that was a quick tour of what Charactool can do. If it caught your interest, you can download it from the App Store and give it a try. See you next time!